Maths Ninjas, welcome to the video 5 from chapter number 1 of grade 6. Today I'm very excited because we are going to take up very interesting topic, that is complete graphs. Have you ever heard of the word graphs? Okay, so now in this video we are going to understand the complete graph. But before we actually do it and solve the question, let's do some understanding, right? Imagine that you have a group of friends and every child, every one person shakes hand with every other person. Alright? Can you tell me that how many handshakes will be possible altogether? So say you have a group of 5 friends and every person is shaking hand with everybody. Will you be able to count how many total handshakes would be there? So we are going to get the answer of this question by the end of the video. So stay tuned and watch until and try. Meanwhile, you can find the answer and check out whether your answer was correct or not. So let's take up. What is a complete graph in a mathematical terms? All the points in mathematics we call it as vertex, right? And the line segment joining that points, they are called as edges. Okay, so first of all we should be clear with our vocabulary. The points are known as vertex. If it is one, it is called as vertex. If it is more than one, we call it as vertices. Okay, and the edges are simply the line segment joining these two points. All right, we have different types of complete graphs, and the first graph, that is known as K2. What is this K2? 2 stands for how many number of edges do we have. Now let's suppose if I have two vertices I am having. So if I have two vertices, how I can connect this graph? So this is going to be just a simple line, and this is known as K2 graph. Let's extend it more to K3 graph now. Now, what is a K3 graph? As I said, the number represents the number of vertices here. So, instead of 2, if I'm having 3 vertices, how the edges are going to be connected? Like if I start from this vertex, I have to connect this with this also and this also. So, how we can do? We can simply connect this. And if I talk about this vertex, it has to be connected with this one also and here. So I will connect it. And now you can see all the 3 dots are connected together. Extend it more. So we have K4. So K4 we have, I am taking here 4 vertices. And can you just see how we can connect them? The first connection would be, if I'm starting from this particular vertex, how I can connect it with all other? It is going to be 1, 2 and 3. Yes or no? Similarly, if I'm taking up this vertex and it has to be connected with all other vertices. So it is going to be like 1, 2 and 3. This is how it is going to connect. Similarly, the third vertex, how it is going to be connected? It is already connected, it is already connected, and then we will connect it this one. And now you will observe that each and every vertex is connected to the other vertices. Isn't it so cool? But is it possible for us that we can just keep on doing and we can keep on creating such graphs and then we will check out? So don't worry, we are studying maths in a ninja style. So we will have some cool formulas to get that, right? And what is the cool formula to get that? The number of edges. The number of edges will be equal to n minus 1 over 2. What it is? N is the number of vertices, right? So if I'm having n number of vertices, how many lines will be there in that complete graph? We can calculate that. You want to check out? So let's say if in the first case we had 2 vertices, right? So what we'll do, in place of n, I will put 2 here. So 2 bracket 2 minus 1. Now we can calculate that. 2 multiplied by 1 over 2, that is 1. So now you can see answer has come 1. Similarly, you can check for if I'm having 3 vertices now. So the formula will be 3 multiplied by 3, reduce it to 1. 3 minus 1 is 2 upon 2. And the answer is 3. So this is what? We got 1, 2, 3. Let's quickly check for K4. That is, if I'm having 4, so 4 into 4 minus 1, 3 over 2. That is going to be 6. Now check out, do we have 6 line segments here? So yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. See, it works here. Now let's come back quickly to the questions from where we started up. You have a group of 5 people and you're doing handshake to every one of it. So, how many handshakes will be there? Come on, tell me. So that is actually an example of, what is? It is an example of K5. Yes. So K5, say we are having a group of 5 people. And how we are going to, let's say this is you. Okay. Now if this is you and these are your friends, friend number 1, 2, 3, 4, and you are number 5. How are you going to shake hand? You will shake hand with 1, 2, 3, 4. Your friend number 1 will shake hand with 1. Of course, with you have done it already. He will shake hand with the 2. He will shake hand with 3. He will shake hand with 4. Right? Similarly, friend number 2 will shake hand with 1, with you, with 3, with 4. Friend number 3 will shake hand with 1, 2, you and 4. And by this time, 4 has already shaken hand with every one of you, right? So here, just see how many handshakes were there. And the formula is n minus 1 over 2, which will get me the answer 5 by 2, which is going to be, yes. So if you have got that there are going to be total 10 handshakes, you are a maths ninja and a maths genius. So you can pat yourself. Good job. And now with this is your complete graphs. If still you have any query, do write in the comment section and I will help you out with that. Moreover, do like, share and subscribe to the channel and do write your feedbacks also, and do share this content with other persons also, with your friends, and so that learning can be better placed. So stay tuned for the next upcoming videos, and again I'm sharing, if you have not watched the previous videos, please do check out and watch that. Thanks for watching. Samjho Maths and Jeeto Confidence.